Want to trade crypto without even leaving your Telegram app? First, search for the Gmgn bot on Telegram. It should look something like this. Tap the Start button to initiate the bot. You'll be greeted with a list of commands. Let's explore some key ones. Typing help displays a comprehensive list of functionalities and instructions. To execute a trade, use the trade command. The bot will guide you through selecting the crypto pair, entering the amount you want to trade, and choosing between a market or limit order. Keep tabs on your investments by using per portfolio. This provides an overview of your current holdings, profit and loss, and overall portfolio value. Stay informed about market movements with the alerts command. Set custom price alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies so you never miss a crucial opportunity. The bot will then send a notification directly to your Telegram when your specified price target is hit. Congrats! With Gmgn Bot, trading is just a message away.